Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of all things heavy duty with the Gorilla Black duct tape. This stuff is like duct tape on steroids, offering over-the-top results for all your taping needs. Whether you're tackling indoor or outdoor projects, this tape is made to stick to rough, uneven, and unforgiving surfaces like wood, stone, stucco, plaster, and brick. Its double-thick adhesive grips smooth, rough, and uneven surfaces, ensuring a strong and lasting bond. The tough, reinforced backing contributes to the heft of this tape, but don't worry, it can still be ripped by hand, making it easy to use on the go. Plus, with its rugged, weather-resistant shell, it can withstand moisture, UV rays, and temperature extremes, making it perfect for all weather use. So, whether you're bonding wood, brick, stucco, or more, the Gorilla Black duct tape has got you covered with its double-thick adhesive and strong reinforced backing. Say goodbye to flimsy tapes that don't hold up with Gorilla Tape, you're getting the real deal. And the best part? It's available in a convenient 1.88 x 35 yards roll, so you'll have plenty to tackle all your projects. So if you're ready to take your taping game to the next level, check out the Gorilla Black duct tape in the link below and get yourself a pack of heavy-duty, double-thick tape that's sure to deliver over-the-top results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Before we jump into today's review, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Rubbermaid Commercial Products 41QT 10.25 gal Wastebasket trash container. This durable container is perfect for use in your home, office, or even under your desk. The rolled rims add strength and make it easy to clean, while the efficient design allows it to fit 25x20, making it versatile and perfect for use in homes, bedrooms, bathrooms, offices, conference rooms, registers, admissions, display rooms, gift shops, and more. Furthermore, its stackable design makes for easy transport and storage, allowing for organization and space-saving solutions. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA, ensuring high quality and reliable construction. So, if you're in need of a durable, efficient, and versatile trash container for your home or office, be sure to check out the Rubbermaid Commercial Products 41QT 10.25 gal Wastebasket trash container. You can find the link in the description below to make your purchase today. Trust me, you won't regret adding this essential item to your space. Thanks for watching, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Hey there, lovely people, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community of like-minded individuals. Today, I am so excited to talk to you about a product that has completely changed the game for me when it comes to oral hygiene, the TheraBreath Fresh Breath Mouthwash. Let's talk about bad breath. We've all been there, right? That feeling of insecurity and self-consciousness that comes with knowing your breath isn't as fresh as it could be. Well, TheraBreath Fresh Breath Mouthwash is here to change all of that. This powerful formula fights bad breath for a full 24 hours when used every 12 hours after brushing and flossing. That means you can go about your day with confidence knowing that your breath is on point. What's even better is that TheraBreath Fresh Breath Mouthwash is dentist formulated. Dr. Katz created the TheraBreath formulas back in 1993 to help his own daughter with her bad breath, so you know this stuff is the real deal. Plus, it's ADA accepted, so you can trust that it's going to help reduce your bad breath without any of the harmful effects of alcohol-based mouthwashes. But TheraBreath is more than just a mouthwash, it's a confidence booster. We believe that everyone should define success in their own terms, and we exist to motivate you to go out there and get it. And let's not forget that TheraBreath is the #1 fastest growing mouthwash brand in the USA, the results speak for themselves. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to bad breath and hello to a new level of confidence, I highly recommend giving TheraBreath Fresh Breath Mouthwash a try. You can find the link to purchase it in the description box below. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more game-changing product reviews and recommendations. You won't want to miss out. Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today, I'm excited to share with you a product that will not only enhance the air quality in your car, but also in your home. Introducing the Little Trees Air Fresheners Car Air Freshener in the scent Black Ice. This is not just your average air freshener. The Little Trees Air Freshener is the original car air freshener that has been freshening up our rides for years. And with good reason. The specialized proprietary technologies combined with exceptional fragrances deliver a long-lasting quality experience. The Black Ice scent, with its fusion of sandalwood, bergamot, and lemon, will give your car and home a masculine, mysterious fragrance that will impress anyone who gets in your car. But it's not just for cars. You can freshen up your home, laundry room, garage, bathroom, and even pet odor areas with this amazing product. The Little Trees air freshener comes in a wide range of product styles and fragrances, so it's easy to find one you love. And the best part? It's made right here in the USA, with rigorous testing and high-quality standards, ensuring a premium fragrance experience made from only the best ingredients. Plus, the Car Freshener Corporation prioritizes not only creating the best car air fresheners for consumers, but also for the environment, with all fragrances meeting or exceeding the International Fragrance Association guidelines, as well as their stringent internal safety standards. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to unpleasant odors and hello to the long-lasting scent of Little Trees air fresheners. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Black Ice scent or one of the many other amazing fragrances they offer. Your car and home will thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a way to show your commitment to sustainability and make a positive impact on the environment, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're talking about the Tork Multifold Hand Towel Natural H2. By choosing these natural hand towels, you're not only making a statement about your concern for the environment, but you're also boosting your facility's image. These 100% recycled fiber towels are not only sustainable, but they also help reduce germ spread when paired with a touch-free dispenser for hygienic single dispensing. One of the best things about these Tork Multifold towels is that they are absorbent and economically sized, which means you can minimize hand towel waste and save money at the same time. And, let's not forget, these EPA-compliant paper towels are 100% recycled, so you can feel good about the positive environmental impact you're making. With 16 packs, 250 paper hand towels each, these universal quality, one-ply towels are the perfect choice for any facility. Whether you're in an office, a restaurant, or a school, these Tork hand towels are compatible with H2 dispensers, and the folded size of 3.2 lira watts 9.1 makes them great for any space. So, what are you waiting for? Show your commitment to sustainability and make a positive impact on the environment by choosing the Tork Multifold Hand Towel Natural H2. Click the link in the description to get yours today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great product reviews and sustainability tips. Thanks for watching. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a product that every parent will appreciate: the Mama Bear Diaper Pail Refills for Diaper Genie Pails. First of all, these diaper pail refills come in a pack of 1080, which is a great value for money. You won't have to worry about running out of refills anytime soon with this pack. They are compatible with most Diaper Genie pails, including Diaper Genie Expressions, Elite, and Complete pails. This means that you can use them with your existing diaper pail without any hassle. One of the best features of these refills is that they can hold up to 270 diapers, making them perfect for parents of newborns. You won't have to constantly empty the pail, saving you time and effort. Not only that, but these refills are also designed to trap odors with their multi-layered construction. This means that your nursery will stay smelling fresh and clean, even with a diaper pail in the room. Please note that these refills are not for use with Munchkin pails, but they are specifically designed for Diaper Genie pails. So, if you want a convenient and effective solution for diaper disposal, I highly recommend you to give the Mama Bear Diaper Pail Refills a try. You can find the product link in the description below and make your purchase on Amazon today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more reviews and product recommendations. Today, we're talking about something that every parent goes through: potty training. It can be a challenging and messy process, but we've found a product that can make it a little bit easier: Pampers Easy Ups Girls Boys Potty Training Pants. These training pants are designed to make potty training a magical experience, especially for those little ones who are big fans of My Little Pony. The soft and comfy underwear-like fit gives them the freedom to move around, while the easy tier sides make changing a breeze. The 360 stretchy waistband allows for easy pull up and down, making it simple for your child to use the toilet on their own. But the best part? These training pants are up to 100% leak-proof with dual leak guard barriers and extra absorb channels that quickly lock wetness away from the skin. This means less mess and more confidence for your little one as they navigate this important milestone. And as parents, we all want the best for our kids, which is why it's important to choose a brand that we can trust. Pampers is the #1 pediatrician recommended brand, so you can rest assured that you're getting a high-quality product that's been designed with your child's well-being in mind. So, if you're ready to make potty training a little bit easier and a lot more magical, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Pampers Easy Ups Girls Boys Potty Training Pants size 3T4T, 1 month supply, 124 count. Let's make this journey a little bit easier for both you and your little one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best products to keep your ride looking and feeling its best. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Armor All Protectant, Glass, and Cleaning Wipes, a must-have for any car owner. If you want to keep your car in tip-top shape without spending hours at the car wash, this multi-pack is exactly what you need. Each pack includes 30 convenient disposable wipes that are specially designed to clean and protect both the interior and exterior of your vehicle. The Armor All cleaning wipes are perfect for lifting away dirt and debris, revealing your car's natural beauty without causing any harm to delicate surfaces. And the Armor All Protectant wipes work to preserve your vehicle's rich look by protecting it from harmful elements like UV rays and oxidation. But that's not all. The Armor All Glass wipes are a game changer for streak-free, crystal clear shine on your car's glass surfaces. Say goodbye to filmy residue, grime, bugs, and fingerprints with these powerful wipes. Trust an Armor All, the most trusted name in car care, to keep your vehicle looking and feeling like new. So why waste your time and money on multiple products when you can have everything you need in one convenient pack? If you're ready to take your car cleaning game to the next level, make sure to check out the link in the description to grab your Armor All Car Wipes multi-pack. Don't miss out on the opportunity to give your car the love and care it deserves. Subscribe to our channel for more car care tips and product reviews, and stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Frigidaire 26 lbs per day portable compact ice maker. If you're tired of constantly running to the store to buy bags of ice, then this is the product for you. With the Frigidaire Ice Maker, you can produce 26 pounds of ice per day and get ice in as little as 6 minutes. It's perfect for parties, camping trips, or just everyday use at home. The countertop design makes it easy to place anywhere in your kitchen, and its easily portable design means you can take it with you wherever you go. Plus, the see-through design allows you to watch as the ice is being made. It's like a mini ice factory right in your own home. The digital LED control panel gives you all the controls you need to make perfect ice every time. You can even choose between 2 different sizes of ice cubes, so whatever your needs are, this ice maker has you covered. And with a 2.3 quart water reservoir capacity, you'll have plenty of ice on hand for all your needs. But wait, there's more. The Frigidaire Ice Maker also includes an ice shovel, so you can easily scoop out the perfect amount of ice for your drink. No more struggling to get ice out of those pesky ice cube trays. This ice maker does all the work for you. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to constantly buying bags of ice and hello to the convenience of the Frigidaire 26 lbs per day portable compact ice maker. Click the link in the description to get yours today and make your life a whole lot cooler. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey there, it's your favorite tech enthusiast here. Today, I'm beyond excited to present to you the amazing Galanz GLR12TRDEFR refrigerator. This dual-door fridge with a retro red finish is an absolute must-have for anyone looking to take their kitchen game to the next level. First off, let's talk about efficiency. This beauty uses a R600, a high-efficiency and low-energy consumption compressor, meaning it can cool your food quickly while using less energy. Not only that, but with a freezer capacity of 2.65 cubic feet and a fresh food capacity of 9.36 cubic feet, you'll have plenty of space to keep all your favorite goodies. Now, let's talk about convenience. The adjustable electrical thermostat control with top-mount freezer compartment means you can easily control the temperature to your liking. And don't even get me started on the glass shelves. They're a game changer for keeping your storage organized. But wait, there's more. The storage double door design and the ability to manually control the temperature with the control dial make this fridge an absolute game changer. Whether you need space for your frozen foods, ice cubes, or your favorite canned beverages, this fridge has got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and get your hands on the Galanz GLR12TRDEFR refrigerator today. Trust me, you won't regret it. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest and greatest tech reviews. Cheers to a cooler kitchen. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a game-changing product that has been a game changer for me, LMNT Zero Sugar Electrolytes Variety Salt Hydration Powder Packets. If you're following a keto or low-carb lifestyle, or even intermittent fasting, this is the perfect supplement to keep your energy levels high and fight against the dreaded low-carb fatigue and keto fog. Plus, it's gluten-free and contains no artificial ingredients, making it perfect for those looking to live a clean, healthy lifestyle. As we head into the colder months, it's important to remember that hydration is critical, and LMNT is here to help. The drier air and cold-induced urices can wreak havoc on our hydration levels, so keeping those electrolytes in check is crucial. And with LMNT, you can trust that you're getting the perfect ratio of sodium, potassium, and magnesium without any added fillers or sugar. Developed by Rob Wolf and the team at Ketogains, LMNT was born out of a need for a better electrolyte drink mix that met the standards of an active lifestyle. Traditional electrolyte drinks just weren't cutting it, so they came up with a solution that is backed by science and built for you. So, how do you use it? It's simple, just mix one packet with 16 ounces of water or more, depending on your preference, and you're good to go. However, it's important to note that it may not be suitable for those following a low-sodium diet or those directed by a physician to follow a low-sodium diet. If you're ready to take your hydration to the next level and keep your energy levels high, I highly recommend checking out LMNT Zero Sugar Electrolytes. Trust me, you won't regret it. And the best part? You can find the link to purchase this amazing product in the description below. So go ahead, give it a try and thank me later. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more game-changing products like this one. Thanks for watching.